Okay, let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, now let's mix our ingredients together. Starting with our flour. And then we are going to add our cocoa powder and our sugar. And then we're going to mix that together a little bit. Real quick, just like this. And now let's add our baking powder and our salt. Then we can add our eggs, our oil, and our vanilla extract. And then we can mix this together until it's mixed well. We can add some chocolate chips, however many you want. And let's just mix this in there. Pour our batter into our greased pan. Like this. Then we can move on to our next step. Now we can put this into our oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. I'll be back to show you the finished product. This is our finished product.